Pretty good. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Kindly share your screen.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, got it. So go to your business manager. Yes. Yes. Add. Click on the add. Oh, no. That is not. Click
I
on the
think it
people.
was
In the yes. Yes. Select my email. Select my email and give me full access. Yes, and assigned. Yes, done. And click on the people in the left side. People. Yes. Yes, just wait. I check my email. Kindly wait.
is it okay?
Yes, everything is okay. Just yes, I got it. I got it. So, so can we talk, discuss about more like your business?
I actually have the page here. So it's basically what I'm doing right now is drop shipping.
Yes,
Um, I have a few categories here. It's mostly about like electronics and yeah, like beauty products and things related to decoration and all of that.
yes,
So most of those products are coming from China, and ideally, we like to sell mostly to the U.S. market, or only to the U.S. market right now. Uh,
yes,
I'm located in the Houston area, so ideally, like if we want to target the Houston area, that's fine. But
yes,
because it's drop shipping, we can basically deliver anywhere in the U.S. and the cost is going to be the same.
yes, got it.
Uh, I have a few things that I have tried in the past. So I have a few campaigns in case you want to browse.
Yes,
Um, Nothing of them has been successful, honestly. So I haven't been able to make any conversions. I have tried different angles to see if anything works, but to be honest with you, man, I haven't got any success.
yes. I got it. Just a second. I check your Facebook. Okay, just a minute. I check it. I want to check it.
Okay. And now in terms of budget, I do have an idea of, or if you look at the campaigns, you might see like a trend. I was spending between like 10 to $15 per day. But at this point,
Yes,
I think it's is if you have a recommendation on that, of course, I don't want to invest tons of money right now
yes, yes,
because I
yes,
haven't seen a return. But if you have a recommendation, we can definitely talk about that.
yes.
And I have tried promoted a single product, and I have tried to promote like a catalog of products and different like categories and collections from different catalogs,
Yes.
and with multiple ads and multiple copies. Uh, and yeah, it hasn't been a lot of success.
Uh, did you make your catalog before?
So I think I just imported the catalog from Shopify. To be honest with you,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know how that thing went because I think I followed the instructions properly, but I don't know if it's set up properly. I can see the catalog and it works.
Yes. Everything is got it. So now I think I need something like your targeted location, exact location list, and your product list. How which product you want to show on your customer? Can you help me to send me this?
Can you repeat what you need, please? Just
Uh,
to confirm.
yes, actually, how which product you want to show you on your customer? I need this product link because there are
Okay.
huge product on your store, so I need some specific product link that I use
Yes.
for the advertising.
Gotcha. Perfect. And how many do you need?
You can send me like up to 10.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I can definitely share that.
Yes, you can send me the all product link as a Word file or PDF file. I will use that.
Perfect. And so basically what I have to give you is 10 products. I just give you this upper link, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And what else?
Hello, Susa. Kindly repeat again. Maybe there is a network issue. Just need your product list and your target location list. So which is your Christian location. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Got it.
perfect. Can I send it to you in the next 10 minutes?
Yes, yes, sure, no problem. Now we are already engaged on the business manager, so I have no issue to wait for me. Wait for you. When you will be free, you can send it. I will manage.
So I can work on that right now and probably, yeah, in the
Okay,
next 10 to
okay,
15
okay,
minutes.
okay, okay. I sent you my email again. You can send me, or you can send me email. Send me by email that I provide you previous my email.
Okay.
Okay, okay, perfect. So thank you so much for joining this meeting.
Absolutely. Thank you, Irman. And just let me know if you need anything else.
No, 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 now nothing. If I want anything, I will inform you.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay, okay. Bye.